Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of intermittent fasting. Join us as we guide you through the ultimate cheat sheet on this popular eating pattern. Ready? Let's get started. Intermittent fasting is a method where you cycle between periods of eating and fasting. It doesn't specify which foods to eat but rather when to eat them. It's all about when, not what. There are several different approaches to intermittent fasting, but one of the most popular is the 16/8 method. This involves fasting for 16 hours and having an eating window of 8 hours. Some prefer to skip breakfast and have their first meal around lunchtime, while others start eating in the morning and finish their meals early in the evening. Aside from weight loss, intermittent fasting offers various health benefits. It can improve insulin sensitivity, regulate blood sugar levels, reduce inflammation, and even boost brain function. During fasting periods, it's essential to stay hydrated. But remember, intermittent fasting is not a magic pill. It's crucial to make healthy food choices during your eating windows. Focus on whole, nutritious foods, balanced with proteins, healthy fats, and plenty of vegetables. Stay hydrated and avoid sugary drinks. Water, herbal tea, and black coffee are your best buddies. Avoid sweetened drinks or anything with calories as that can break your fast. If you're just starting intermittent fasting, give yourself time to adjust. It's okay to feel hunger pangs initially, but your body will adapt to the new eating pattern. Stay consistent, and remember, discipline is key. One of the key benefits of intermittent fasting is its ability to help you burn fat while preserving muscle mass. During fasting periods, your body switches to burning stored fat for energy, leading to weight loss. It also promotes a process called autophagy, in which your cells remove waste materials and repair themselves. Intermittent fasting is not suited for everyone. If you have any underlying medical conditions or concerns, consult your doctor before giving it a try. Your well-being always comes first. That's a wrap on our quick guide to intermittent fasting. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this information helpful. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you never miss any of our future videos. See you soon!